Okay, we're starting to shape up his head a little bit, and what we're going to do is we're just going to trim this down. We're going to trim this down, round off his face a little bit more. Alright, and up here, right where these two meet, we're going to bring it in just a tad further, okay? A little bit further, because that needs to look like it's really sitting in. There we go. There we go. Perfect. That's what we want. Alright. And again, we're going to go under here a little bit further, just to round it up a little bit. There we go. Or just want to round his face. Their faces are a little rounded. If you look at one, you know, a lot of these faces are similar, but yet they're so different. You know, they're like people. People don't look the same. Their heads are a little different from one another, and their hair might be a different color. And so we're going to just round off his nose here. Okay, just right there. We're just going to round this up a little bit. Just like so. And we'll put the details in a little bit here. Now, you have the choice. If you want, you can leave it white with an eyeball on either side, or you can make this a black face with black ears and the rest white. When you look up sheep, they usually have, I think a lot of the ones from the biblical times were, and I could be wrong when I say this, let me shut the air conditioning off so you can hear me a little better. When we do the sheep, we'll probably do a white face, and I'm looking at a bunch of them on Google. Now, Google is a great way of researching things that you want to do. If you want to do any kind of sheep, you can do either the white face or the black with black ears. So I haven't decided yet. We'll figure that out later on. I'll be right back, folks. I'm sorry.